Hi, welcome to Unique Parenting. I am B. Moise, and today I want to talk to you guys about the home environment. And I want to tell you how to create a space that you and your family can enjoy being in, a space where it is cool, calm, and collected away from the chaos of the outside world. So, how to create a space where inside it is exactly how you want it to be or how you would want it to be. My previous life, when I used to do in-home parenting, I would go into home environments and I would help individuals and families learn what they can do differently to create a space that, they enjoy, and to create a space that their kids can enjoy, whether that be like making sure there's a designated homework station or removing clutter or adding clutter. You never know. So that's what I want to talk about. But before that, I want to kind of talk about things that I never talk about on here, which is these videos are a supplement to the things that I do, which are my talks and my articles that I write. So these are like tiny little blurbs in comparison to the in-depth detail of stuff that I actually do, that I write about. So I'm going to put the links of some of the places that you can find, the actual article for the supplement, five to 7 minute videos that I get on here and talk about. So, and whether you find me in, Charlotte Parent or the Every Mom or, Verizon, I'm everywhere. So basically these videos are a supplement. They're not the actual thing. They're like a quick little blurb, for those of you who just want like the little hit. So that's number one. And the second thing is, I also write books. And these videos are also a little blurb from the books that I have written. I do have a book called The Neurodivergent Home, which goes into in-depth detail of how to create the space that you would want for your family. I have that. I have our neurodivergent journey, but I also have, super excited, a new book coming out this year in March called Neurodiversity and Technology. I know it will be well received because I talk about that a lot. How to make tech appropriate for the neurodivergent brain, and or anyone really. It's not just for the neurodivergent brain, it's for children in general and individuals who would like to know how to do it better. So yeah, I never get into that stuff because I don't know. I don't know. I guess it's weird and I just don't think about it in the moment. But today I remembered, so I'm talking about it. I'll put the links below underneath my description of this video so you can find my articles and you can buy my books, to support me, to continue my free little education that I do on YouTube. So back to home environment. So what can you do with the home environment? First, you need to understand that it is a joint conversation between you and your family members of what is the space that you want to create. Everyone is different in terms of what they like and what makes them feel calm and what makes them feel happy. I am a super moody, dark vibe person, which is weird because my videos do not reflect that. They're always bright, because I don't know, I feel like that's a different extension of me, but my home, the places that I find peace are dark and they're moody and they have a lot of things that bring me peace, where my children like different things. My son like brights too, bright colors and things like that. My daughter my son like moody like myself, and my daughter like bright colors. So I create their space based on their desire and their interest and their want, not just necessarily what I want. We are also a home filled with fidget everything, whether that be some soft textured things or some hard, textured things, or whatever it may be. We have fidgets everywhere because we have different sensory needs. We have places for outlets. So really, when thinking about the home environment, you have to incorporate what everyone will benefit from, and whether that be in their own private little space, or if you have the ability to create that in a bigger space, that's the first thing, the conversation about that. The second thing is understand it's going to take some time, and you're going to need to create an organization pattern of some sort, because organization is my thing. I love it. my kids know that I love it, so I think they do it, and then, they indulge me. But in reality, it is more difficult for them to create an organized space, but it creates order. It helps you to know where things are, where they go, where they belong. It's like one less thing to think about, right? So that's what I want you to think with organization. However you create it, because again, being organized is not a one-way thing. Everyone organized in a different way. So just think of it from, however you like it, then that's the organization pattern for you. So you have to have the conversation and communication with your family about it, what they want, what they would like included or excluded. I can't say enough how certain colors just really make me upset. I don't know why. That's just silly, but it does. Like certain colors just bring me unhappiness, while others bring me an incredible amount of calmness. So you may be decorating with something that is anxiety provoking and therefore maintaining the chaos in your home. So conversation, organization. Those are my first two key topic that I can, think about, and also a place to unwind and a place where you or your child can just be you, whether that be a bathroom, okay, a little closet, your room, but a designated space for when you feel overwhelmed and you just need to be removed from the environment. Because in order to have a calm space, you need to be able to find your calm and your peace. So those are my top 3 advice for, how to create a home environment that is cool, calm, and collected. Again, these videos are a supplement to what I actually write. I have article in January at Thrive on Charlotte Parent that goes in depth into the new year and refresh and how to have the home environment. So again, more in depth in that one and lots of other articles. Don't know where they live, but I'll put the link underneath. So, and don't forget my book, Our Neurodivergent Home, The Neurodivergent Home, which includes more information about these things. So in the meantime, I want you all to enjoy your unique parenting journey with your unique child.